Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D cube logo on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to leave it like this. You can do like just an outline, but I'm just going to do like the full on glow for this one. So go to effects and search for the edge glow option, and you're going to select it and you're going to place it in your video. You can adjust the glow here if you'd like to. Go to media and go to library and find the color that you like. For instance, like this pink one. And then go to blend mode and select. I don't know why it's like doesn't want to scale. Okay, there we go. There we go. And then select everything, right click, create compound clip, go to animation and go to combo. And then you're just going to select the cube here. And honestly, that is it. Maybe make the duration a little bit longer than a minute. If you want to add the neon, you can just go to effects and search for neon. And like add it underneath the image, and you have to add in the edge glow again to it, like on top, like so. And then you can select everything, and right click, create compound clip again, and go to animation and select cube. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.